back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. Today I have a job lead in the healthcare field because I know a lot of my subscribers are interested in the healthcare field. But real quickly, before we dive into it, I just want to ask that if you find this job lead or any of my job leads that I share helpful, please like and share my videos. That gives me direct feedback that you are enjoying the job leads that I share and that they are helpful. And as always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education or experience that you have. And if you're interested in any of these and want to get those applications in, the links to do so are always in the YouTube description box. Today's job lead is from the company Mayo Clinic. Now, Mayo Clinic is a world-renowned healthcare system. They are hiring a content management specialist. This is full-time remote work from home for my United States folks. So the content management specialist is responsible for daily production of content to fulfill their publishing plans and to meet the highest quality of standards. So Mayo Clinic has a website that a lot of people go to that is probably most of where their content is published. Sometimes they may publish articles on different blogs and stuff, but this is going to be web content, healthcare content that is being published. You'll have to be able to convert text into HTML or XML as directed by the publishing tools. You'll also have to insert any images, videos, hyperlinks into the website. You'll proofread all published content that is on the website to ensure that you are visually and grammatically correct publication as part of your daily quality assurance of assigned content. So you'll constantly be reviewing and proofreading the content that's already been published, making changes, and then trying to upload and add new content. Now, they are specifically looking for someone who is at least 2 years associate degree in either web design, computer science, or some kind of related field, and a minimum of 3 years at work in some kind of production or publishing related field. Or if you don't have that, 7 years work in some kind of production or media related field. Above that, they do need you to be able to work with software applications like HTML editors, because that's what you'll be doing to update their website, Microsoft Word, Outlook, Excel, Dreamweaver, and different similar tools. You need to have great communication skills, great attention to detail, and of course, great spelling and grammar skills. Now, if this is you, it says this position is 100% remote. You can work anywhere in the United States. They have no state restrictions. It is full-time, and they pay very well. It's anywhere from $27.67 an hour all the way up to $41.55 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.